Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay. Make sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so today's video, we just got our Boxycharm base box in, and I wanted to go ahead and unbox that. Now, I do receive the Boxy Luxe, but I decided every 3 months when I get the Boxy Luxe, I wanted to also do the base box too, just so that people can see the different variations and items that you can receive. So my Boxy Luxe and my Boxy Premium are on one account, and then my base box on Boxy Luxe months are on my daughter's account. So her box came in today. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a 3-tier platform of beauty subscriptions. This is the lowest tier. It is $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size products. They say 5 to 6 full-size products. I've never gotten a 6th product unless it was a cancel your subscription, get a new bonus product when you sign up again. That has been the only way I've ever seen a 6th product in the box. The same thing with Boxy Premium. It is supposed to be a 6 to 7 item for $35. And since I've been getting Boxy Premium, I've only seen 6 items. And then the Luxe box is from 8 to 10 items, I believe. And there's usually 8 products in there. It is $50 every 3 months. And then your Boxy Premium is a different tier, which is $35 a month. That's a lot of stuff. Either way, if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, I do have a link down below. I don't make any money off of it. It is to just save you some money. I get reimbursed in charms, which I use to bring back into the channel to do reviews on. So if you want to use the link, it's down there. If not, I totally understand. But we're going to go ahead and get into the base box for March of 2020. So I have cut it. I have not gotten in here. Samantha did go through this before she went to work, so I hope she put everything back like it was supposed to be. I did recently just get out of the shower. I am just letting my hair air dry. I did get a new t-shirt, MTV, music television. Samantha bought this shirt for me. Didn't even know what MTV was, which made me feel extremely old. But let's get in this box. So Boxycharm Pretty Edgy is the theme for this month, and this is box variation number 30. If it will focus. Come on. Okay. So the little heart at the bottom, sorry, tells you the variation of your box. So the add-on that she got, it's not really an add-on because we do have the add-on store. The free gift that she got for signing back up with Boxycharm is the Matte Spectrum by Zoeva. That is what this looks like. This is the coolest packaging for a palette I've ever felt. It's a matte silk feeling, soft matte feeling eyeshadow palette. It's really cool. So I will show y'all what that looks like. Like I said, that was her free gift for signing back up with Boxycharm. And this is what that looks like. And the palette itself is the same as the box. But that is what that palette looks like. It is very pretty. It's got some really neat colors in there. And they're all matte, which is right up Samantha's alley. She is my basic matte girl. I try to get her out of her comfort zone. And she fights me every step of the way. So she is who she is. I am who I am. You are who you are. So everybody does their own thing. There's no right or wrong way. It's just the way that you want to be. So that is the first thing in there. I cannot tell you how much it is because it was her free gift. So I will try to look this up when we're editing the video and put a total or a price of it in here. But that's that. Okay. So now into the real box. The first thing we have is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. Now, I seen this first leaked by, I want to say Rich Lux, or maybe it was Brett Glam Guy, Brett Guy Glam. I always get his name wrong. But when I first seen this leaked, I reached out to Yardy G to tell me something about it, and then it just hit all over. But these are some really pretty colors. I'm going to turn this light up so that y'all can see. Oh, y'all can't see nothing with that bright light. Okay, that one's better. So that you can see all of the colors. There's some very pretty colors in here. I will go ahead and swatch a couple of them. There are 2, 4, 5 mattes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers. But I'm going to swatch Swipe Up, which is a very pretty color. I will let you know now. It is a very gritty eyeshadow feeling. But the swatch is very pretty. I'm going to do the full size, which is a darker blue color that looks purple. So it's probably a duochrome. Let's turn this light off. Yeah. Okay. And then Charmer. They've really got good pigment. I'm going to do the matte Cup of Joe and the matte Unboxing. So there's Unboxing. They are a little powdery, but the pigment is there, the color is there, and that's what we're really worried about. So yeah, I'm super happy to have this. I have been eyeballing it since it was leaked. And I think it was a great thing for Boxycharm to make their own palette. All of the forums that do Boxycharm, you have Boxycharm Beauties, Boxycharm Luxe, Boxycharm Swap, Boxycharm Canada, Boxy Swap and Sell Only, Boxycharm News, Boxy Babes, Boxy Bellas. So, buy, sell, or trade. If you can read that on there, all of the forums are on there so that he acknowledged them, which I think is amazing. Way to go, Joe. That was very good business strategy on your part. So let's see what it says. It says, Boxycharm Hello Charmer Palette. This exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for traditional day-to-night looks. And it retails for $39. So it's not a bad price for a palette. And Boxycharm having their own palette is pretty cool. They are coming out with a lot more Boxycharm merch, which I think is great. After being a Boxycharm lover for almost 2 years, we should be able to wear some of the stuff that they're coming up with. So we have a $39 palette. That is what we start off with. The next thing I see is Project Beauty Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. That is what that looks like. I wonder if it's safety sealed. Yes, it is safety sealed, as you can see, which is awesome. I like it when products are safety sealed. That means that I'm the only one that's gotten into them. I need to see if I can find my eyeballs. And I found them. Alright, let's see what that says. Project Beauty Hair Gurt. Did someone call for a hair rescue? This moisturizing and repairing hair mask is made with yogurt, protein, prebiotics, Ghana, our botanical oil blend, and shea butter to help repair and protect damaged, frail, and brittle hair. Show your hair some care. And that retails for $10. So that's not bad. I do like items for my hair, so I will definitely be checking that out. The next thing we have is Kat Von D. This is Anti-Precision Pencil. It is Smoky Eyeliner. I wonder if this is a Anti-Precision Pencil in Trooper Black. Didn't we just get this? I wanted to say we just got this. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, this is KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Eyeliner. Your favorite anti-precision eyeliner is back. Get ready to rock smudgy, smoky, perfectly imperfect eye looks with anti-precision pencil. Our ultra black retractable jumbo pencil glides on creamy and provides plenty of playtime so you can smoke out your look to your heart's desire. And that retails for $19. I will have to look and see if this was one of the items that we had already gotten. I haven't used the other ones yet. It does make me feel better that Kat Von D... I had lipstick on my teeth, guys. It does make me feel better that Kat Von D no longer is running her beauty line. I will use more of the products from them now. And that's just a personal preference. If you like Kat Von D, more power to you. I will be using it now that it is vegan beauty. The next thing we have is from Becca. This is the Ultimate Lip Definer. And it's in the color Playful. That's what that is. Y'all know how I love my lip liners, so I am super okay with this. It says a high impact 8-hour long wear lip liner. A high impact 8-hour long wear lip liner that effortlessly contours and defines the lips with the perfect balance of color and precision. The innovative dual-ended liner comes with a built-in sharpener and pout perfecting precision tool for effortless application and definition every time. And this retails for $18. So that's pretty cool. And the color, oh, that's pretty red, is right there. And it is called Playful. I don't know about the double-ended lip liner. I'm not mad about that. And then the last thing in here is from Sutra. This is a mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip in the color Lavender. Style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370 degrees. Create gorgeous curls with ease and keep hair healthy and even. Healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature controls. And this retails for $50. I do have the mini straightener, the mini blow dryer. Now we have the mini curling iron. We got the big Sutra curling iron, And I got the big Sutra flat iron. So I will let you know that you will get plenty of hair tools, which I love. That is one thing that I do love about Boxycharm, and including the new hair items. Hair tools are expensive, and if you can get them in a box, yes, all day, every day. Please sign me up. So that was our box, our base box, and the total for our box this time was $136, which was well within the means of the price of the box for $25. I do feel like I got my money's worth. I'm very happy with my box. Samantha was very happy with her box. It's her box. It's our box. We'll just say that. But some of the items in here will work for her, and that makes me happy. So, Boxycharm, congratulations. You did another amazing job on your base box. We are totally satisfied. If you get Boxycharm, comment down below what you got in your base box. Did you get the base box? Did you cancel? After all the big drama with Boxycharm, did you just wash your hands of it? Do you have FOMO? Let me know. Y'all know I'm nosy. I love to hear about it. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out. Remember to ring that bell. It will notify you every time I put up a new video. Boxy Luxe and Premium will be coming. Can't wait for those to be here. So please do return to see what I got in them. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.